Morning, Nandura. Myself Aradhya Ojha from Kothari English Convent, Nandura. Today we are having online session to celebrate Independent Day with my friends. I request my friends stand at your place for anthem. May I request chief guest of today's function, Honorable Judge of Nandura Court, Mr. Ashija ji, to speak few words.
मी मनोहर आसीजा, दिवाणी न्यायाधीश कनिष्ठ स्तर, नांदुरा दिवाणी व फौजदारी न्यायालय. सर्वप्रथम कोठारी महाविद्यालय, कोठारी कन्याशाळा, कोठारी प्राथमिक विद्यालय या शाळेतील सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना, शिक्षकांना, मुख्याध्यापकांना, सर्व पदाधिकारी व कर्मचारी स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आज 15 ऑगस्ट 2021 या दिवशी आपण भारताचे स्वातंत्र्य दिन साजरे करीत आहोत. आपल्या सर्वांना माहीत आहे की हे स्वातंत्र्य मिळवण्यासाठी आपले जे स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक होते त्यांनी किती कष्ट घेतले आहेत. सुरुवातीला इंग्रज भारतात आले होते ते व्यवसाय करण्याच्या निमित्ताने, परंतु हळूहळू त्यांनी या देशाचा राज्य काबीज केलं व आपले जे नागरिक आहेत त्यांच्यावर खूप अत्याचार केले व त्यांनी त्यांचे कायदे बळजबरीने आपल्यावर लादले. आपले स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांपैकी विशेष करून महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, लोकमान्य टिळक, सुभाषचंद्र बोस इत्यादी यांनी खूप परिश्रम करून, खूप लढे देऊन, खूप आंदोलने करून हे स्वातंत्र्य आपल्याला मिळवून दिलेलं आहे. आज स्वातंत्र्य मिळून आपल्याला जवळपास 75 वर्ष झालेली आहेत. या स्वातंत्र्य दिनी आपल्याला आता हे बघण्याची वेळ आलेली आहे की खरोखर आपण एवढे कष्ट करून जे स्वातंत्र्य मिळवलेले आहे त्याचा उपयोग आपण पुरेपूर करतो आहे किंवा नाही. आपल्याला मिळालेल्या स्वातंत्र्याचा लाभ आपण सर्वजण घेत आहोत किंवा नाही. सुरुवातीच्या काळात जेव्हा आपल्याला स्वातंत्र्य मिळाले होते तेव्हा आपल्या पुढील आव्हाने वेगवेगळी होती. सध्या आपल्या पुढील आव्हाने वेगळी आहेत. सुरुवातीला आपल्याला शिक्षण संस्था उभारायच्या होत्या, लोकसंख्या नियंत्रण करायचे होते, आपले भारताचे स्वतंत्र कायदे तयार करायचे होते. आता मागील 75 वर्षाच्या काळात त्यापैकी बरीचशी प्रगती आपण केलेली आहे. म्हणजे सांस्कृतिक असेल, खेळासंदर्भात असेल, वैज्ञानिक असेल, अशा बऱ्याच क्षेत्रात आपण प्रगती केलेली आहे. परंतु या ठिकाणी आता 75 वर्ष पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर आपल्याला अजून प्रगती करायची आहे. अजूनही आपण विकसनशील देश असे म्हणून गणले जातो. तर आपल्याला जे विकसित देश आहेत, अमेरिका झाले, रशिया झाले, इंग्लंड झाले, या देशांच्या बरोबरीने आपल्याला उभं राहायचं आहे. तर त्याकरिता सर्वात महत्त्वाचे योगदान जो आहे तो आपल्याला ह्या देशाची जी यंग पिढी आहे, जे तरुण मुलं आहेत, जे शिक्षण घेत आहेत, कॉलेजमध्ये जात आहेत, यांच्याकडून आपल्याला खूप सारी अपेक्षा आहे. कारण जे लोक जुने आहेत, ज्यांनी डिग्री घेतलेली आहे, खेळात एका विशिष्ट स्थान प्राप्त केलेलं आहे, त्यांचं आता जवळजवळ त्यांनी जे काही करायचं होतं ते पूर्ण झालेलं आहे. परंतु इथून पुढं तुमच्यासारखी जे मुलं आहेत, जे शाळेतून बाहेर पडणार आहेत, पुढं जाऊन त्या तुमच्यापैकी कोणी इंजिनियर होईल, कोणी डॉक्टर होईल, कोणी वैज्ञानिक होईल, तर तुमच्याकडून या देशाला खूप अशा साऱ्या काही अपेक्षा आहेत. तर मी आपणा सर्वांना या स्वातंत्र्य दिनाचा निमित्त साधून सगळ्यांना विनंती करतो की आपण प्रत्येकाने आपापल्या क्षेत्रात प्रगती करावी. ज्याला ज्या क्षेत्राची आवड असेल, आपल्यापैकी कोणाला अभ्यासात आवड असेल, कोणाला खेळात आवड असेल, कोणाला विज्ञानात आवड असेल, तर त्यांनी त्या त्या क्षेत्रात प्रगती करावी व तुमच्या प्रगतीतूनच देशाची प्रगती होणार आहे. देश म्हणजे हे काही असं वेगळी संस्था नाही आहे किंवा वेगळं असं गाव नाही आहे. की त्याची स्वतंत्र प्रगती होईल. तुम्ही प्रगती केली तर त्याच्यातनं देशाची प्रगती होणार आहे. तर या स्वातंत्र्यदिनी मी आपल्या सर्वांना विनंती करतो की आपण आपली आवड, आपली रुची पाहून त्यात प्रगती करायची आहे. या वर्षी आणि याच्या आदल्या वर्षी कोविड असल्यामुळं आपल्याला नेहमीप्रमाणे झेंडावंदन करून साजरा करून अशा पद्धतीने स्वातंत्र्य दिन त्या साजरा करता आलेला नाही. कोविडच्या महामारीमुळं बऱ्याच लोकांचा जीव गेलेला आहे, बऱ्याच लोकांना आतोनात नुकसानही सहन करावं लागलं आहे, बरेच लोक बेरोजगार झालेले आहे. परंतु तरी देखील शासन स्तरावर, ग्रामपंचायतीला, जिल्हा परिषदेत, नगरपालिकेने, पोलीस प्रशासनाने, आरोग्य विभागाने अथक प्रयत्न करून ही महामारी जवळपास कंट्रोलमध्ये आणलेली आहे, बऱ्यापैकी नियंत्रण मिळवलेले आहे. पण तरी देखील आपल्या सर्वांची देखील एक नागरिक म्हणून जबाबदारी येते की शासनाने वेळोवेळी जे काही निर्बंध जारी केलेले आहेत त्याचा पुरेपूर व काटेकोर पालन केलं पाहिजे. त्यातील सर्वात महत्त्वाचा व वेळोवेळी सांगण्यात आलेले निर्बंध म्हणजे प्रत्येकाने मास्क घातलं पाहिजे. आपण जर मास्क घातले नाही तर आपल्या तोंडातील जे थुंकी असेल याच्यातनं आपण कोरोना व्हायरसचा इतर लोकांना प्रादुर्भाव करू शकतो. आपल्यालाही त्रास होईल, त्याचा दुसऱ्यांना त्रास होईल. महामारी ही कंट्रोलमध्ये येण्याऐवजी ती अधिकच वाढत जाईल. त्याच्यामुळे मास्क घालणं हे सर्वात महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि दुसरं महत्त्वाचं निर्बंध म्हणजे सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगचं पालन करणं. 2 व्यक्तींमध्ये कमीत कमी 6 फुटाचे अंतर असणे गरजेचे आहे. त्याच्याने काय होईल की कोरोना व्हायरसचा प्रभाव होण्यास प्रतिबंध येईल. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला शासनाने वेळोवेळी लावलेल्या निर्बंधांचं पालन करून, शासनाने केलेल्या नियमांचं पालन करून आपल्याला या महामारीवर विजय मिळवायचा आहे. या ठिकाणी मला कोठारी संस्थेमार्फत स्वातंत्र्य दिनानिमित्त आमंत्रण देऊन 2 शब्द बोलण्याची संधी दिली, याबद्दल मी संस्थेच्या सर्व पदाधिकाऱ्यांचा आभारी आहे. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Now our stars 6th to 10th are going to express their love for India through their songs, speech and dance performance.
May I request to my friend Apeksha Gawhad from standard 6 to sing.
मेरा नाम अपेक्षा सुनील गवाड़ है। मैं 6th स्टैंडर्ड से हूँ और मैं यहाँ अभी गीत सुनाने जा रही हूँ। मेरी देश की धरती, मेरी देश की धरती, मेरी देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरी देश की धरती, मेरी देश की धरती, मेरी देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरी देश की धरती, मेरी देश की धरती, बैलों के गले में जब घुंघरू जीवन का राज सुनाते हैं, जीवन का राज सुनाते हैं। कमजोर दूर हो जाता है, खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं, खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं। सुन के बहट की आवाजें, सुन के बहट की आवाजें, लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे, लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे। बातें ही मस्त बहारों के, बातें ही मस्त बहारों के, दुल्हन की तरह खेत सजाते हैं, दुल्हन की तरह खेत सजाते हैं। मेरी देश की धरती, मेरी देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरी देश की धरती, मेरी देश की धरती। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
May I request to my friend Deepika Rathi from standard 6 to give speech.
Morning ma'am, my name is Deepika Dilip Rathi. Study 6th. Independence Day पे speech. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year. Independence Day is a national festival of India. India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule. On this day, the stag in salute and national song are everywhere. Thank you, ma'am.
May I request to my friend Nikita Helode from standard 6 to give speech.
Good morning everyone. Respect parents, teachers and all my dear friends. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August of every year. This day is celebrated as the natural festival. We feel happy on this day. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. This day teaches us about the power of unity. On this day, national holiday in India. Thank you.
May I request to my friend Akansha Randan from Standard 6 to perform dance. Sakshi Dendute from Standard 6 to sing a song.
ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने हैं प्राण गवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद
घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी। जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। संगीन पे धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा। May I request to my friend Prathamesh Ingre from Standard 6 to give speech.
Respected teachers and my dear friend, my name is Prathamesh Nivritti Ingade. Today is a independence. This is 75th independence, 15 August 1947. We have celebrated Independence Day. This is celebrated everyone in India due to the dedication of Bhagat Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose and other leaders. Mahatma Gandhi, we got Independence Day. We celebrated it as a festival day. It is national festival. This day song patriotic singing. Thank you.
May I request to my friend Rupali Saraf from Standard 6 to give speech.
Respected teacher and my dear friend, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this occasion, I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak about this day. On 15 August 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So, this day remarks the celebration of freedom from the British Empire to rule our country for around 200 of years. Hence, to commemorate our history's freedom, we celebrate this day with full passion and energy all around the country. Independence Day is a national festival and is also a public holiday. On this day, flag, armed force and school children jahakis with dance, singing activities, etc. held in different parts of the country. So this day remarks the respect to our freedom fighter and is very special occasion to every citizen of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
May I request to my friend Prerna Hirarkar from Standard 6 to perform dance.
Hi, my name is Prerna Hirarkar. I am in 6th grade. So let's start dance.
मेरी सांसों में
Nagam from Standard 6 to sing a song.
Respected sir and madam, my name is Nivedita Deepakar Rathod. I am studying 6th class. Today I am here to speak song. ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम।
May I request to my friend Kaustubh Barathe from Standard 6 to sing a song.
Good morning to our respected principal, teacher, parents and my dear friends. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. My name is Kaustubh Barathe. I study in class 6th. I am presenting patriotic song. मेरा कर्मा तू, मेरा धर्मा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू। आ आ आ हर कर्म अपना करेंगे ए वतन, तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जा भी देंगे ए वतन, तेरे लिए दिल दिया।
May I request to my friend Vivek Paraskar from Standard 6 to give speech.
Hello sir, good morning to the respected chief guest, principal, teacher, parents and all my dear friends. Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. Today's day is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 for British who ruled our country for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Many brave revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their lives for the nation's freedom. Thank you.
May I request to my friend Shreyash Khaire from Standard 7 to sing a song.
My name is Shreyash Kishore Khaire, song Kesari Rang, Standard 7. ये मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सो दर्द से महफूज रहे, तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। ये मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, पी कहाँ पड़े लगी अंग तेरा जिस मुँह से निकल के खून बहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भले खलियान में तेरे जहाँ झूम के बंगरा पान सखा, आबाद रहे ओ गाँव मेरा, जा लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना में मेरा वतना में मेरा तेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी रस्मों पे, मैं जितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। थैंक यू।
May I request to my friend Avishri Dure from Standard 7 to give speech.
My name is Avishri Dure. I am in 7th class. Today we will gather here to celebrate our Independence Day. Independence means the state being free and not controlled by another person or country. India got independence on 15 August 1947 in British rule. We got independence with the help of many national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Netaji Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Veer Savarkar and many other freedom fighters. Our national flag, Tiranga, is the symbol of the nation flag. And I love my India. I like to say one line, East or West, India is best. Thank you.
I request to my friend Himanshi Kolde from Standard 7 to give speech.
15 August Independence Day speech. Good morning to all my respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. As we all know that Independence Day is an occasion for all of us India. Independence is the most important day to all the citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the when we got freedom from the British rule and after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighter of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August to remember the first freedom of India as well as remember all the sacrifice of the great who have sacrificed their lives in getting freedom from India. Thank you. Jai Bharat.
I request to my friend Ishwari Palaskar from Standard 7 to perform dance.
Hello friends, my name is Ishwar Shikma Pasta, so let's start dance.
कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
I request to my friend Sri Telkar from Standard 7 to sing a song.
My name is Sri Kumar Sandeep Telkar. I am studying 7th standard. I am 12 years old.
My school name is Kothari English Prathamic School. So let's start my song. ए प्यारी भारत माँ तेरे हम गीत गाते हैं, ए प्यारी भारत माँ तेरे हम गीत गाते हैं, गुनगुनाते हैं खुशी से गीत गाते हैं, गुनगुनाते हैं खुशी से गीत गाते हैं, ए प्यारी भारत माँ तेरे हम गीत गाते हैं। जीना हमने सीखा माँ छत्रपति शिवराजा से, जीना हमने सीखा माँ छत्रपति शिवराजा से, मरना हमने सीखा माँ शेर शंभू राजा से, मरना हमने सीखा माँ शेर शंभू राजा से, जीना मरना तेरे कारण शपथ उठाते हैं, जीना मरना तेरे कारण शपथ उठाते हैं, ए प्यारी भारत माँ तेरे हम गीत गाते हैं, ए प्यारी भारत माँ तेरे हम गीत गाते हैं। स्वर लहरों का गुंजन माँ झरझर झरता झरनों में, स्वर लहरों का गुंजन माँ झरझर झरता झरनों में, हंसी खुशी का नर्तन माँ थिरक थिरक किया मोरों ने, हंसी खुशी का नर्तन माँ थिरक थिरक किया मोरों ने, स्वतंत्रता का विजय गान हम जोरों से गाते हैं, स्वतंत्रता का विजय गान हम जोरों से गाते हैं, ए प्यारी भारत माँ तेरे हम गीत गाते हैं, ए प्यारी भारत माँ तेरे हम गीत गाते हैं, ए प्यारी भारत माँ तेरे हम गीत गाते हैं। थैंक यू।
I request to my friend Khushi Matre from Standard 7 to give a speech.
Hello, my name is Khushi Dilip Matre. I study in 7th class. Good morning to all my respected principal, teacher, parents and my all dear friends. Today I am going to speech today. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today on 15 August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day for our nation. Today is very important day. Today is very important day. All of India. We got Independence Day. We got Independence Day 15 August 1947 from British who rule our country and around 200 years. Great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and many other. Devoted their very entropy life our the independence of our country. Their life for the national freedom. We celebrate Independence Day every year 15 August. On that date, we all children are celebrate Independence Day in our school. On that special occasion, we all student are get up in early morning ready for the celebrating student day. We are properly uniform, get ready, are going school. Due to COVID-19, we are able reach to school from celebrate Independence Day in our current situation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I request my friend Mahi Pole from Standard 7 to give a speech.
Good morning to all my respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating this great national event that we all know that Independence Day. It's an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is most important day to all of Indians and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We can never forget the sacrifices of the Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who had lost their lives in their early age just for fighting for their nation. How can we ignore all the struggles of Gandhiji? Gandhiji was a great Indian personality who taught India a big lesson of non-violence. He was one and only who led India to great freedom with the help of non-violence. Finally, the results of long years of hard struggle came in front on 15th of August 1947 when India got freedom. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I request to my friend Snehal Sardar from Standard 7 to perform her dance.
My name is Snehal Prabhakar Sardar. I study in 7th standard. My song name is India White.
Thank you. May I request to my friend Supesh Khelkar from Standard 7 to sing a song?
My name is Supesh Khelkar, class 7th. I sing a song. Song name is Hai Preet Jahan Ki Reet Sada. Ho 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 ho. Hai Preet Jahan ki reet sada. है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ काले गोरे का भेद नहीं हर दिल से हमारा नाता है कुछ और न आता हो हमको हमें प्यार निभाना आता है जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया हो जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ जीते हो किसी में देश तो क्या हमने तो दिलों को जीता है जहाँ राम अभी तक है नर में नारी में अभी तक सीता है जितने पावन है लोग वहाँ इतने पावन है लोग वहाँ मैं नित नित शीश झुकाता हूँ भारत का रहने वाला हूँ भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ थैंक यू सो मच जय हिंद जय महाराष्ट्र
To my friend Prem Gujjar from Standard 7 to give a speech.
Good morning. Myself Prem Gujjar. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am giving speech on Independence Day. So let's start. India gained her independence on 15th August 1947. So we celebrate as our Independence Day. This is the most important national day for us. India got her freedom after centuries of slavery. Independence Day is celebrated throughout the country. Functions are held in school and colleges. Public meetings are arranged. Minister and big officers unfurl the national flag. They make patriotic speeches. The celebration in Delhi are held at Red Fort. The Prime Minister of India unfurled the national flag. The colorful parade are held there. The Prime Minister visit the Amar Jawan Jyoti. Thank you. Jai Hind.
May I request to my friend Snehal Padmane from Standard 7 to perform her dance.
The respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Snehal Padmane. I am 7th standard in class. First, let me wish you a very happy Independence Day. India is celebrating its 75 Independence Day. Today, on 15 August 1947, we got independence from British rule. We celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should always remember our great we should always remember our great freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and others. School and colleges also contain flag hosting ceremonies and culture program on this day. As a citizen of India, we should respect our nation and sincerely respect our duties to make our country beautiful. I love my country very, very much and I am proud to be an Indian. I wish happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.
I request to my friend Vaishnavi Umare from Standard 7 to perform her dance.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हम नाज है जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आजमाना ज्ञानबाज हम जानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूटे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा ले हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा ले हम इंडिया वाले.
I request to my friend Yuk Bhuthada from Standard 7 to sing a song.
My name is Yuk Shantilal Bhuthada. I am 7th standard. My song name is जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया. जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा वो भारत देश मेरा वो भारत देश मेरा. जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा वो भारत देश मेरा वो भारत देश मेरा. ए धरती वो जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला जहाँ हर बालक है मोहन है जहाँ और राधा हर एक बाला जहाँ सूरज भी सबसे पहले आकर डाले अपना फेरा वो भारत देश मेरा वो भारत देश मेरा. अलबेलों की धरती के इस त्योहार भी है अलबेले कहीं दिवाली की जगमगे कहीं होली के मेले जहाँ राग रंग हंसी और हंसी खुशी का चारों ओर है घेरा वो भारत देश मेरा वो भारत देश मेरा. जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा वो भारत देश मेरा वो भारत देश मेरा. जय हिंद जय भारत. हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
May I request to my friend Ayush Bhatkar from Standard 7.
afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. Here is Ayush Bhatkar. I would like to share my speech. India gained independence on August 15, 1947. After independence, our nation we acquired all fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be in India. We should admit we are fortunate to have been in land independent India. From 1857 to 1947, the lives of many freedom fighters and survivors. Research of struggle we are satisfied. For independence of India, soldier Mangal Pandey in the British force first led and was against British. Survivors against freedom fighters later suggest and spin their interest lives only gain freedom. They are satisfied all the freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Kundi Ram Bhose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives and early age just to fight for their country, can never be forgotten. Where we are so lucky to have been give a land place happiness. Be our fathers feathers. When we can sleep all night without fear. Enjoy the worlds at day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for listening me.
I request to my friend Disha Chopre from Standard 7 to give speech.
I am here to present a welcome speech for Independence Day. Today is our 72nd Independence Day. We should feel proud to be a part of an Independence Day nation that has freedom of speech, freedom to live life in our own way. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August as a national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of National Independence Day. The British Empire on 15 August 1947. From that day onward, 15 August became a very important day and in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. After the Independence Day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Independence Day was a very special and important occasion for the India and its people living in India. Never keep the flag down, never dare the flag. Freedom is very important, so protect it with that. I conclude my speech. Thank you everyone and happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
To my friend Dhanraj Agarkar from Standard 7.
Hi, my name is Dhanraj Praveen Agarkar and I am in 7th standard from Kothari English Convent, Nandura. And I am playing tabla and singing a song, Radhe Krishna Ki Jodi Alokit. So let's start this song. Radhe Krishna ki jodi alokit तीनों लोकों में छाए रही है. भक्ति विवश है प्रेम पुजारी न फिर भी दीप जलाए रही है. कृष्ण को गोकुल से राधा को बरसने से रुलाए रही है. दोनों करे स्वीकार कृपा कर जगन आरती गाए रही है. और भरे जग संग भले तब सेवा होनी करे मंगल माला. सावन कराए वो मुगल उड़ाए वो मुगल लगाए वो लपेट प्यारी. राधे कृष्ण की जोड़ी अलौकिक तीनों लोकों में छाए रही है. Thank you.
I request to my friend Aditi Naise from Standard 8 to sing.
Hello ma'am, my name is Aditi Sunil Naise. This song special for 15 August. I start for song. ए मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी. जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. ए मेरे वतन के लोगों ए खूब लगाओ नारा. ए शुभ दिन है हम सबका लहरा तिरंगा प्यारा. पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने प्राण गमाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में बढ़ी आज़ादी, जब तक भी सांस लड़े हो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े हो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी। थैंक यू मैम।
To my friend Anjali Thakre from Standard 8.
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Chandra Thakre from 8th standard. I will to talk speech of Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August as a national holiday to the Indian independence nation of United Kingdom on 15 August 1947. This was the day on which the provisions of the Indian Independence Act of to come with the effect transparent legislative sovereignty to the Indian Constituent Assembly. After independence on the 15 August 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister to the national flag to raise the red fort near Delhi Lahar Gate by unfurling the national singing to students, teachers, parents and other individuals come together celebrate to the Indian Independence Day. Thank you so much.
To my friend Bhakti Gaigol from Standard 8.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Bhakti Vidyasagar. I am here today to speak a few words about Independence Day. Independence Day 15 August 1947 is an important day for all Indians. It is celebrated as a national holiday by the people of India to independence from Great Britain. On this day, people of India pay hailed tribute to the great leader because of whom India become free forever. Thank you.
My friend Jagoti Khole from Standard.
Hello, my name is Jagruti Ravindra Khawle. My respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, I give a speech about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August. 15 August has a national holiday in India when people remember the wrong phase of nation independence from British rule. On August 15, 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. We should all be proud to be an Indian, and we should admire our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag and singing the national anthem. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
To my friend Khushi Munde from Standard.
Hello, my name is Khushi Sunil Munde. I am giving speech on Independence Day. India gained her independence on 15 August 1947. So we celebrate this day every year as our Independence Day. This is the most important national day for us. India got her freedom after the centuries of slavery. Independence Day is celebrated throughout the country. Functions are held in schools, colleges. The celebration in Delhi are held at the Red Fort. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag. A colorful parade held there. A unit of police and army participate in it. The Prime Minister visits the Amar Jawan Jyoti. He pays homage to those who sacrifice their lives for the freedom of the country. Thank you.
My friend Anushika Patil from Standard 8.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव अनुष्का मनोज पाटील. मी तुम्हाला स्वातंत्र्य दिवसावरती गाणे म्हणून दाखवणार आहे. जिंकू किंवा मरू, जिंकू किंवा मरू, जिंकू किंवा मरू, माणुसकीच्या शत्रू संगती युद्ध आमचे सुरू. जिंकू किंवा मरू, लढतील सैनिक, लढू नागरिक, लढतील महिला, लढतील बाल, शर्त लढ्याची लढू. जिंकू किंवा मरू, जिंकू किंवा मरू, देश आमचा शिवराय, झाशी वाऱ्या रणराईचा शिरतड हाती धरू. जिंकू किंवा मरू, शस्त्राघाता शस्त्राचं उत्तर, भुईन देऊ एकता सुवर, मरू पुन्हा उतरू. जिंकू किंवा मरू, जिंकू किंवा मरू.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Kirti Sanjay Gagam. I am here today to speak a few words about Independence Day. Independence Day, the most important day in every Indian. We celebrated Independence Day on the 15th August. Independence Day is one of the honorable celebration of the nation. India got freedom in the year 1947 from the British ruling. This day is celebrated every year as Independence Day. Thank you.
To my friend Prachi Ramchandani from Standard.
Good morning everyone, respected chief guest, teacher, principal and all my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I am Miss Prachi Ramchandani. Would you like to few words about the auspicious day? Today on 15 August we all have gathered, have day of our country. This is the day for all of us to celebrate the sacrifice of freedom fighter whose effort gave us independence. Great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Netaji, Subhash Chandra Bose devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. India got independence from the British rule on 15 August 1947. Since independence, our country has developed rapidly in the field of agriculture, education, science, manufacturing, sports and etc. But India is also facing some problem like terrorism, poverty, inequality, corruption, etc. Let us all pledge to do our best and overcome this problem. Let us all work together and make our country the best country of the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
My friend Purva Kolle from Standard 8.
My name is Purva Nitin Kolle. I study in 8th standard. Dear respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends, today our topic in Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15 August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent after lot hardship and sacrifice of the brave India freedom fighter. From the day onwards, 15 August become very important day in history and in by heart of every India. Also, the entire nation celebrate this day with the full spirit of patriotism. For hundreds of years, India was ruled by the United Kingdom and our country was a part of British Empire. The British has taken over a lot of the world and India was one of its many colonies. Before they came, India was made of many kingdoms. After being ruled by them for years, the mutual feeling toward foreign rule really brought the country together, united the people of the country, struggled to free itself from British rule for many years, officially become independence on 15 August 1947 to commemorate his historic event. We celebrate our independence on 15th August every year. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
May I request to my friend Vaibhavi Parastar from 8th standard to dance.
Friends, respect to principal and teacher. My name is Vaibhavi Shivakumar Panaskar. So let's start dance.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था। ये तेरी जमीन तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे गीतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
May I request to my friend Sarvesh Lahorkar from 8th standard to speech.
Respective all my teacher, I am Sarvesh. Today I gather here to Independence Day. Independence Day in India is the most important day for every Indian citizen, as our country get freedom from the British rule. We celebrated this day every year on 15th of August. From 1947, our country is counted the world's largest democracy all over the world. India became an independent country on 15th of August. In 1947, our sacrifices of thousands of freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel, Lokmanya Tilak, Chandrasekhar Azad, etc., who work hard to get independent from the British rule. Thank you.
May I request to my friend Siddhant Ramchandani from 8th standard to speech.
हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, प्यारे प्यारे फूल गुंफे माला में एक है। प्यारे प्यारे फूल गुंफे माला में एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। कोयल की कूक प्यारी, पपीहे की टेर न्यारी, गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक है। गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक है। हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्णा कावेरी गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्णा कावेरी जाके मिल गई सागर में हुई सब एक है जाके मिल गई सागर में हुई सब एक है हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है.
May I request to my friend Sujal Paul Jagde from 8th standard to speak.
Hello friends, my name is Sujal Paul Jagde. I study in 8th class. I also tell speech about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day mark of anniversary of the national independence from the British Empire on 15 August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most obvious day for the people of India because India became independent after lots of hardship and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From the day onward, 15 August because a very important day is India. Also, the international celebration this day with the full spirit of patriotism. This day is national celebration for all Indians who come together. It is the young of the independence India. Different educational industry organize a program by hosting the tricolor flags of India. Thank you.
May I request to my friend Priyanka Hiralkar from 8th standard to dance.
Hello, my name is Priyanka Vijay Hiralkar. I am in 8th, so let's start dance.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है
May I request to my friend Vedant Bhopre from 8th standard to speak.
Good morning everybody, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Vedant Bhopre and today is the Independence Day. I sing a song, so listen carefully. तलवारों ने सर वार दिए अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है तब जाके कही हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ए मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। हाँ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ ओ ओ
May I request to my friend Vaibhav Dane from 8th standard to speak?
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 74th Independence Day celebration. Independence Day is one of the national festival of our India. 74 years ago, British ruled India. They came India for the trade and gradually took everything under their control and made us their slaves. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in one day. Is very important for all Indian persons. Then on 15 August 1947, India became independent after many agitations and struggle. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get independence for India, like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. Now I am going to end my speech with these words. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
May I request to my friend Krishna Pandey from 10th standard to speak?
Hello, good morning everybody, honorable teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate 75th Independence Day of our country. I am so glad that I got this opportunity to express my feelings and emotion about our great occasion, that is Independence Day. India got independence on 15th of August 1947, and after independence we got our all the fundamental rights. We all should feel fortune that we fortune to be an Indian and admire our motherland. Independence is not a word related to our freedom; it is the mark of our victory. Our great leaders had spent their entire life to gain independence, and they did it. We can sleep whole night without fear and travel every part of our country and live every moment of our life. This is possible only because of our sacrifices and struggles of our great leader. History of slave India reveals everything, that how our ancestors and forefathers had suffered all the brutal behavior of the Britishers, and we should proud of our great leaders and must learn one lesson from them, that life give us a lot of challenges, but those who face them calmly and judiciously get success in life. The freedom is a gift for us, and it is gift of our sacrifices and struggle of our great leader, and we should proud of our great leaders and celebrate Independence Day enthusiastically. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
May I request to my friend Om Karate from 10th standard to speak?
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friend, today I am talking about Independence Day. India will be celebrating its 75th Independence Day on 2021. We are all proud that India had gained independence 75 years back. India get independence by an act passed by the British Parliament, and India became the first country to get independence from the British rule. At the midnight of 14 August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, rose up to address the nation and made up his maiden speech on New Delhi. When the world sleeps, India will wake up to the life and the freedom. India is the largest democracy in the world. But let me remind you all that independence was not the end of our struggle. It was just the beginning of our greatest challenge, and that was to make us a prosperous. As as a citizen of India, we are proud of its golden part. We had one of the oldest and richest civilization in the world. Today we not only need to be proud of our glorious past, but also need to work to make our present and future better than our past. We need to make our uh, we need to make ourselves so capable that we can praise its present, and this can be only done when we work hard for it. And and we can only work hard if we have a feeling of patriotism and nationalism in our heart. Patriotism is very deep and a meaningful word, and its meaning changes according to the demand and or time. During pre-independence period time, patriotism mean to get out of the houses and fight against the foreign rules, whereas today a true patriot is that a person gives who gives his best of his service in the development, uplifting, and progress of his nation as the best human resource. So we should contribute to our great nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
May I request to my friend Swaroop Deshmukh from 10th standard to speak?
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Teacher, and my dear friend. First, I wish a very happy Independence Day. Today, I speak a few words from my bottom of my heart on this auspicious occasion. Friends, we are celebrating a 75th Independence Day. It is the most important day for all Indians. On this day, 15 August 1947, India became independent from the British rule. Thousands of brave hearts sacrificed their lives for freedom of our India. We must remember our brave freedom fighter on this day. It is celebrated to commemorate our freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many more. Due to these heroes, we are living in today's society happily. We are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. Our brave soldiers fighting on border to protect our country and preserve our freedom. As a citizen of our country, to sincerely perform our duty for the growth and development of our country. We should take an oath to carve a better future of our motherland. Thank you.
May I request to my friend Jay Chauhan from 10th standard to speak?
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are gathered here for the speech competition on Independence Day. 15 August 1947 is the day on which India gained its independence after a long series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. In which Gandhiji was a great Indian figure who teaches us the lesson of non-violence, and such as many freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives in the protection of their nation, such as Sukhdev, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India who hosted the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. 15 August is celebrated as a national holiday in India. People in India celebrated this day with a great joy and love. People in India host the flag and sing the national anthem at public school and at many places. Thank you.
May I request to my friend Sayaji Gaikwad from 10th standard to speak?
Hi friends, very good morning to all of you. Myself Sayaj Anil Gaikwad, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today is a very special day for India and Indians, that today is Independence Day, and on this occasion I want to tell few lines on it. So listen my speech carefully, that's my wish. Friends, it's a very proud that we are an Indian. India, the well-known country of tradition, culture, religion, was get independence on this day. It means on 15th August 1947. This day is not only celebrated as the Independence Day, but also celebrated as remembering the tributes of all that freedom fighter which which fight in the freedom. After the freedom, the first flag of India is been hosted on Red Fort in Delhi by the first president Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Also, on this day, on 15th August 1947, India get freedom from British rule. So, this day is very precious day for India and Indians. So, I end my few lines by saying Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
We hope all enjoyed. Thanks each and every and making this day one of our best day.